Good morning, myself Aarti Kulkarni, and our team is Dream Dev, and we are really excited to be a part of Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our project title is Automated Session Management System, and statement ID is SIS 25140 Student Innovation under the theme of Smart Education. We are working in software category, and our problem statement is to design and develop the centralized automated session management system that can efficiently manage webinar and seminar, and removing the manual error by tracking attendance, and improving coordination, and removing our instant generation of certification. And this is all about our project, and over to Ashish.
So now let's take deep dive into the actual working of the application. So first there are going to be two panels, the organizer panel and the user panel. So first the organizer is going to create a webinar or an event for which he is going to host. Then after which there are going to be notification going to the people in database that this particular event is going to happen. After this, the user can, according to his will, can register to the webinar. After which he is registered to the webinar, he is going to get frequent reminders that he has particular event or webinar at this particular time. After which, when he joins the webinar, then his attendance is going to be automatically monitored. After which it is going to be monitored by time stamp, and also it is going to be interactive so that he cannot start the webinar and do other works. There are going to be questions at particular time stamp which he has to answer, which can determine that he is paying attention to the webinar. After which an automatic certificate is going to be generated, and this certificate can be is instant. Over to Avishka.
So technology to be used, we are going to use front-end. For the front-end we are going to use AngularJS. For the back-end we are going to use Node.js and Express.js, which is used to build RESTful API. For the database we are going to use NoSQL database called MongoDB database. And for the authentication we are going to use JSON Web Token authentication and Google's OAuth 2.0 for the Google or Facebook authentication. Next, we are going to use real-time updates for Socket.io and Computer and or PDF Maker library for automated certificate generation. Step-by-step implementation plan, session setup, notification scheduling, live session attendance, auto validations, certificate generation and delivery analytics like dashboard. So next we'll hand over to Rohan.
So let's talk about the feasibility and why we are in our project. So feasibility analysis, there are three main type of feasibility analysis in our project. First is the technical feasibility, operational feasibility, and economical feasibility. So in technical feasibility, we use the mean stack to develop our project. In operational feasibility, so there is a simple UI which can handle by any software or any operating system. And in economical feasibility, our development cost is low because we use open source and a cloud data structure. And after that, the risk analysis and mitigation plan. So in risk, there is the four type of risk in our project. There is an internet or server down. In internet and server down is a main problem in our village area. So to overcome this problem, we use download system. So we the student or the anyone who wanted to join the session, he can download the lecture and watch after he want after the time is free. Then data and privacy. If the data is breached in our system, so our data is encrypted, so no one can read our data. After that, our user adaptation and resistance. So simple UI which can be handled by any user or any operating system. After that, the scalability, when the large amount of a user can be hit the same URL or can be hit the same server, so we can handle by using the cloud. So next slide goes to the Ganesh.
So in this slide, impact and benefits, how impactful our project for that users. So there are three impacts: organizer, participant, and distribution. So organizer saves up to 80% of manual work, reduces errors in attendance tracking, and gets real-time participation data. So in participants section, receive reminders and updates on time, get instant digital certificate, and marking the seamless attendance using QR code. What is seamless attendance system? So seamless attendance system means the system which give the attendance in fastly and by using QR code. In institution section, centralized event management across departments. So it improves transparency and reporting of our audits. Next is benefits of the system. So social benefits promotes employee participation and witness. They improves the communication and economic reduce the manpower cost, saves paper and printing cost by using digital certificates. So it is economic friendly and operational. Automates scheduling, attendance and reporting, improving efficiency and accuracy. So operational, we are give you accurate attendance and certificates for that students. Environmental support paperless operations and reducing carbon footprint. So next slide goes to Isha.
So at last, we have our project research and references. In the research work, we have 2 points, industry pain points and digital transformation trends. In industry pain points, first point is that there is a 20 to 30% error in normal attendance tracking, which causes errors in large events. Secondly, their organizers spend 40% of time in arranging their event, so that will be reduced in our software. Another one is digital transformation trends. Our software promotes digital India trends, which promotes paper-led governance and automation. Also, in education and training sector, the software is moving in LMS, means learning management system, that type of software. Secondly, relevant paper and articles. We have 5 papers. First from IEEE Explorer, second from ResearchGate, third from Springer, and from and other websites, which we have taken overlook and we have got the idea. Next, impression and computational study. So first, we have 3 softwares: Moodle, MS Teams, and Google Classroom. These softwares are good for course management, but not for optimized one-time seminars. They are not efficient for the cloud management testing and extra number of members. Secondly, Zoho Meeting and Google Meet, they are good for hosting, but not for generating the automated services. So our software is best for handling large amount of people at a time. Also easy for all the institute, centralized system, everything. So thank you. This was our project.